Big innovation in Bertello. You know, the biggest problem with the pizza oven, any pizza oven, is you've got to take the pie out every 30 seconds and rotate it. Yeah, that's a big issue. Now what if the pie rotated itself? That's what I'm talking about here. This is Bertello's new innovation, the rotating pie of desire, right here. This is going to solve all your problems when you make pie because the pie does all the work on its own. Perfectly cooked every time in the new rotating Bertello. Tell us about this.
Yeah, so this has proprietary patented technology which does gas plus wood at the same time, and now it rotates. What does that mean? That gives you the convenience of gas with the flavor of wood, which is what everybody wants.
And the pie rotates. Exactly, that's what matters. So you've got your gas, you've got your wood, that's for flavor, and the rotating pie of desire. A perfect pie every single time. That's what I'm talking about here. This is pie in the eye. A perfect pie every time. It's brilliant. The problem is everybody that has the old Bertello is going to want the new Bertello. And I know there's thousands of you out there. This is what I'm doing. I'm going rotation, baby. I want to rotate all day long because I've made thousands of pies in my original Bertello and I had to take it out and rotate it with my fingers. Forget all that. The pie does the work. I sit back and I eat the pie.
Yes, exactly. And why rotate? Because it doesn't burn the pizza. And that's the biggest struggle everybody has with making a pizza in an oven like this at such a high temp. They tend to burn the pizza. This takes all of that out of it. Your first pizza is going to be amazing. Your second one's going to be amazing. You're going to be an expert from day one.
Because every pizza oven is hotter in the back than the front. That's why you got to rotate the pie in the first place. But now the pie's doing the work saying, get me the hot spot again. Take me back. Take me to the back of the oven. Oh, I'm done at the back. I'm coming back to the front because I'm rotating. That's what's going on here. The pie loves it. All pies want to be cooked in this oven. All pies. That's what's happening now.
And then we also have a digital thermometer with a Bluetooth app. So you can go inside your house. It can notify you when it hits that 800, 900 degree range. Then you know it's ready. You come out, you throw your pizza in. 90 seconds later, it's done. It's perfect. And you're eating the best pizza you've ever had in your life.
900 is important. Very crispy dough and leaves the toppings in a perfect place for your palate. I tell you, this is going to be the oven of the season. Ichio caramba!